Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7 of your NCERT book, that is integrals. Integral, basically, it is an antiderivative. In the previous chapter, you have already learned each and everything about the derivatives. Okay, so here the first formula for the derivation was it was ddx of some number like x if with a one variable, the ddx of is 1. Basically, it is antiderivative. Integrals is antiderivative. Okay. So if you want to calculate the integral of constant, now one we have the constant. If we shift to that other side, then we will write like this. And the integral of a constant number will always be the variable and some other constant we will use like c. Okay. And next, if you have ddx of x raised to power n, what was the derivation of that? Power down, and x raised to power 1 power will be subtracted. Okay. So similarly, what will be the antiderivative of x raised to power n minus 1 dx? It will be x raised to power n minus 1 plus 1 over whatever the power will be there, it will be as it is, plus c. So what will we get after this? X raised to power n over n plus c. So exactly, if you will have general formula x raised to power n dx is equals to, the formula will be x raised to power 1 power will be added and the same power will be written in the denominator plus c. Okay, for example, if you will have any function x raised to power 3, let it be, okay, then you will write dx as well. Then you will get 1 power will be added, then x raised to power n plus 1 means it will be 3 plus 1, denominator again as same power in the denominator, plus c, and the answer will be x raised to power 4, denominator 4 plus c. Got it? Now, next, if you have, as we also know, we have done the derivation of sin x. It is cos x. So similarly, if we shift the derivation to the other side, it will be integration. Then can we write cos x integration dx? And what will be left with that? That is sin x only. Sin x and some constant, it is by default always be there. Got it? Next formula, what was we have? ddx of cos x is equals to minus sin x. So according to the same formula, then ddx of sin x, this negative sign will be shifted to the other side. It will be equals to minus of cos x plus c. Okay, the previously we have done sin x derivative is equals to cos x. Similarly, cos x integration will be is equal to sin x. And derivation of cos x, it is equals to minus sin x. Then similarly, integration of sin x will be equals to minus cos x plus c. Got it? Next formula you had ddx of tan x. Okay, what was that? It was secant square x. So similarly, what can we write? Integration of secant square x dx, it will is equals to, what is secant square? This derivation will be shifted to other side. Okay, so derivation of secant square x, what will be left with here? That is tan x plus c. Is it okay? Derivation of secant square x dx will is equals to tan x dx. Got it, my dear students? Okay, next derivation we had dx over, sorry, ddx of cot x. Sorry. Okay, let's come to the point again. It was minus cosecant square x dx. Okay, then again similarly cosecant square x dx is equals to minus cot x plus c. Got it? Similarly, we can calculate the other formulas which are related to this, and I will send the PDF of all these formulas. Okay, soon I'm going to start the basic questions of your NCRT, which are directly related to the simple formulas, and you will be very familiar with that. How can we use each and every formula in your calculations of the questions? Okay, let's start. We have the first question. It's very basic question generally. Let's wait a minute. Okay, one more formula I want to tell you here. If we have, you know very well, okay, ddx of e raised to power x. It is always same, e raised to power x. Similarly, integration of e raised to power x dx will is equals to e raised to power x plus c. That's it. Okay, my dear students. Okay, if you have one question, let it be integration of sine 2x and minus 4 e raised to power 3x. And definitely we will write in bracket, and obviously always we will put the sign dx. Okay, so what will we do now? Integration of, we will break the given function separately. Matlab integration we will put with both the function. 4 is constant, we can write outside, then e raised to power 3x dx as it is. Okay, you know what is the function that is here? Sin x dx. What is this? Integration of sin x function is minus of cos x. And here you have the function sin 2x, then integration will be minus cos 2x. And what is the constant here along with the variable? That is 2, and we will put that in denominator. Okay, minus, here you have 4 is constant. Whatever the term is constant, it is whether multiplied or divide, we will write as it is. Okay, now as you know, here I told in the upper side, that is the integration of e raised to power, whatever it is, it will be same as it is, and the power of variable, the term along with it, we will put in the denominator, n plus c. That's your answer. Got it, my dear students? One more question we will do here for more clarity, which are the formulas we have already discussed above. Question is that integration of 4 x ki power 3 plus 1 integration dx. Okay, that is totally simple. Okay, what will we do? We will put integration with two terms, whatever we have. 4 is constant, we will put outside, plus 1 like this, and 1 is here, and we will put dx. As you know, the integration of Constant function is variable. And what is a variable is x. Okay, here 4 will be as it is. And you know power will be added. Now what is the power here? That is 3. Power is 3. Then we will put here 4 means 3 plus 1, 4. And same in the denominator 4. And plus now it is constant. What is the integration of constant? That is variable. That is x plus c. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. And here you will have x raised to power 4 plus x plus c. It is your answer. That's it. Is it very simple now? You're getting each and every point question. Now, dear friends, here we have next question. Sorry, just wait a minute. Uh-oh. Okay, fine. Now we have enough space. Okay, let's start with the next question. Now listen carefully and look at the question. Here we have integration of x square into 1 minus 1 over x square. Okay. Okay, here as according to the derivation, what we did there, when the two functions are in the product form, we've applied that is u into v formula. But integration, we cannot do this. What will be there? We will convert each and every term in the simple way. Like here, we will multiply this x square inside the bracket. Then what will we get here? It will be x square into 1, that will be x square, and minus here x square will be multiplied with this x square, division में है, so it will be x square over x square and whole bracket, and outer side it is dx. And now x square as it is minus x square over x square, it will be 1 and dx. Obviously bracket will be there. Next, as I told you, integration will be with the both terms x square dx and minus again constant term, sorry, dx. Okay, now what will be it? What is the power here? X square. Then what will you do now? We will add 1 here. So it will be 2 plus 1, 3, and the same denominator, whatever the power there. Minus dx. Now it is no constant, no variable. The constant derivation will be x plus c. It is your answer. Isn't easy? Yes, it is very easy. Okay, next question we will start with one more question, little bit tricky as well. X, actually it is easy. Okay, here root x minus 1 over root x whole square. But as you have already done in derivations, we could do directly powers in derivation first and inside the function. But in integration, we cannot do this. So what will we do? We will convert each and every term in the simple form first, obviously. Okay, so here what will we do? Now it is whole square. So obviously you have the formula a minus b whole square. Is this equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. That's why we will apply the same formula in this form equation. Okay, here root x square will be x minus, plus b square means 1 over x root ka square. So it will be 1 over x minus 2a into b. Fine. And here is obviously integration and bracket into dx is equals to x plus 1 by x minus, it is you have root x will be cancelled with this root x and you will get 2 only. Okay, and here is dx. As usual, we will apply integration with each and every function. X dx plus 1 over x dx minus 2 constant and dx. Got it? Okay, here now you have x with power 1. And you know, whenever the power is there of simple function means linear function, then we will add 1 power. Okay, 1 plus 1 will be 2, and in denominator, same power will be there. Okay, I forgot to tell you one formula more be there. What is the integration of 1 over log x? 1 over x will be, it will be log x, whatever that term here. Okay, so what will be the integration of 1 over x? It will be log of mod x minus 2. It is constant again, no term is there, means 1 is there. Then integration of this will be x. Got it? Next question. Obviously, we will start with the next one. Here you have next question. Okay. Integration of, but basically all these questions are from your NCERT book. You can tally and you can check from that also. Okay, denominator, these are the exercise questions. X minus 1 and dx. Can you imagine what should we do here? Any idea? Okay, here what are the terms? It is x cube minus x square. So what will we do here? We will take x square common from first two terms and you will get x minus 1 and already 1 common, x minus 1, and in denominator there is x minus 1. Do you have any idea what should we do next? We will take x minus 1 common from the numerator and inside term we will get x square plus 1. Okay, and in denominator x minus 1 is there, integration sign and dx, x minus 1 will be cancelled and you will get with x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, directly we can do, apply the integration rules. That is only power is there first. Now first function it is with power. Okay, now power is 2, then it will be power 3 divided by 3. Plus again constant function, as you know, constant function in the integration is x and plus c. What's your answer? Again, is it easy? Yes, it is very easy. Okay, now I will send you some formulas after the class and you can get direct answers with the help of the formulas. Okay, I will do some 2-3 more questions to make you more clear, to make your build your confidence. Okay, so here you have one question. Let it be trigonometric formula. Okay, but see, as I already told you, trigonometry will come in each and every chapter. So here you have secant x into secant x plus tan x. It is our equation question. And what should we do here? We will multiply the secant outer side the bracket inside the term. You will get secant square x plus secant x tan x. Okay, my dear? Okay, as I already told you, that is integration is antiderivative. Can you tell me what is ddx of tan x? It is secant square x. So similarly, what will be the integration of secant x square x? Obviously, my dear students, it will be antiderivative, that is tan x. Okay, and similarly, what was the ddx of secant x? It was secant x tan x. Okay, so similarly, what will be the integration of secant x tan x? It will be, what is this here? Secant x. Then it is secant x plus c. Okay, so these two formulas we will apply in the above equation, above term here. Okay, let's start. We have secant square x. And what is secant square x integration? That is tan x. Then we will write directly without hesitation tan x here. And what is secant x tan x? It is secant x. And answer will be secant x. And by default, we will always apply a constant number, that is c, everywhere. Okay, my dear students. Okay, let's take one more question. Next question you have, then the statement is integration of minus, but it is not direct. In derivation, there were very simple questions, but in integration, we will use each and every formula or each and every concept very carefully, okay? Because it is not every time directly, okay? Here you have the formula question. Okay, so what should we do here? Can I break the denominator? Nothing else we can do. Okay, so what will we write? 2 over, you know very well how to break the denominator, minus 3 sine x over cos square x and dx. Okay, now what can we do here? The cos is here in denominator, and you know cos is a reciprocal of secant x. Okay, 2 secant square x minus, what can we do here, dear students? Can you write 3 into sine x over cos x and 1 over cos x? Any doubts? It's very simple, I think so. Dx is equals to, now it is 2 as it is, secant square x dx. You can directly use that integration without breaking every term separately. Okay, no problem at all. And integration of what is 1 over cos x? It is secant square x. 3 is constant, obviously, and we will write outside secant x into, and sine over cos, it is tan x. Okay, dear students, and dx obviously. And in previous question, we have already done these two. Secant square x, it is tan x. Okay, and secant x tan x, it is secant x. Okay, directly you can write now, because from the above formula, secant square x integration, but you have to learn these. Okay, the formulas you must learn these formulas, otherwise obvious it is it will be very difficult for you. Okay, 3, and it is secant x plus c. That's your answer. That's it. It's very easy again, obviously. It's very easy. Got, my dear students? I think these are enough questions for today.